I've got 3 simple principles that will help you elevate your next brand video. Jason Spencer with the Digital Lunchbox. We're a video production company based in the Ozarks near Branson, Missouri. We've been in business since 2008. Today I want to talk to you for just a moment about creating a compelling brand video. Whether you're a tech company, a manufacturer, whatever it may be, these tips translate to nearly any video that helps convey a company's brand essence. Here we go. Number 1, be real. In other words, don't lie. You might fool some of the people some of the time, but your core audience is gonna sense it.
I felt a great disturbance in the Force.
Like a Jedi Master, they can discern when you're telling a fib. Nothing stops a good sales video cold like that one knowledgeable prospect that picks up on that one thing you said in the video that you maybe didn't really need to say anyway. Tell the truth. Don't lie. Just don't do it.
These aren't the droids you're looking for.
Number 2, and this ties nicely into that don't lie thing, show your best. Not just the stuff you're kinda good at, but your very best. Show what you're great at. Perhaps that's not only your best products and services, but maybe also conveying your passion for keeping your products and services current. Continuous improvement, customer service, expertise in a niche. Also, notice I didn't say tell, I said show. It's video. If it requires narration to get across the premise of the video and your visuals aren't too strong, maybe you might want to take a second look at the concept to make sure you're using this medium correctly. Number 3, present it differently. Look for the uniqueness in your offering. Again, it's video. Look for a way to convey that concept in a visually different way than others in your industry. For example, the Branson Lakes Area Convention and Visitors Bureau asked us to create a video that would be used within the context of a industry luncheon program. They were creating this concert, and the idea came across from the client side to say, why don't we do something that's like a movie trailer? Well, we took that and went crazy with it, and we created this action movie trailer for a destination video.
But nothing will prepare you for this, because in Branson, 2016 is huge.
It got a lot of buzz for the client, and the North American Travel Journalists Association took notice. It wound up receiving a silver award in their destination video category because of its uniqueness. We were pretty proud of that one, but it was a unique concept. It was something that was very different. It wasn't the ordinary.
It's Branson.
Your video producer should be a part of that conversation early on. They should be more than a camera jockey or somebody wandering around the set with a clipboard asking the interns where the coffee is. Where's the coffee? Bonus. Yeah, I know, I said 3 examples, there's a 4th one. This is a bonus. Don't fall into the buzzword trap. When you're just spewing marketing gobbledygook, ladies and gentlemen, you're in dangerous territory at that point.
Move along.
And that's all I've got for today. Jason Spencer with the Digital Lunchbox. If you like what you heard, and if this is the kind of content that you like watching online, we're gonna try to do more of these kinds of videos. You know, I'm a working professional. I don't sit in my mama's basement making YouTube videos all day long. So this is kind of one of those things where we're gonna just do them as we can find time to do them. But if you like this content, subscribe, like, share, etc. I hope you've enjoyed it, and we'll talk to you next time.